Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ADIRAV Intelligent Electric Chopping Machine. This is also called an Intelligent Electric Garlic Machine. This is used primarily for cutting small vegetables and condiments like garlic, chili, pepper, etc. All of those things. This is a 100 milliliter chopping machine, so that's a very compact chopping machine. Over here it's written refuse to pull, just click. Over here there's a specifications of rather a list of the things you can chop with this particular machine, which includes fruits, garlic, salad spices, and even vegetables. It comes with sharp blades and high power mode, and also a food grade cup. This particular chopper runs on a 45 watt motor, and rated input current is 1 ampere. Battery voltage is 3.7 volts. Let's open this up and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. This is the user manual. It comes written in Mandarin and English. There you can see there's English language part is over here. It has all the product description right over here. There's a diagram over here, like it says, which is the USB charging port, the jog switch, the host, etc. I'm gonna keep this over here. This is a micro USB charging cable for this particular chopper. There you go. This is a micro USB charging cable for this particular chopper. And this is the chopper in question. This is a 100 milliliter chopper that runs on a 45 watt motor. This is what the containing jar looks like. This has a set of 3 blades right over here. The blades are very sharp. As you can see, these blades are actually quite sharp. And this is the motor, the 45 watt motor right over here. And right on top there is a micro USB charging port. There you can see this is the port that you use to charge this particular device, and over here this is the button that you use to switch this device on. So you press and hold and the motor starts working. I will give you a better demonstration. Let me just close this lid first. There you go. So now when I press this button, I'll give you a better look over here. Now I press this button and the blades start spinning. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ADIRAV Intelligent Electric Chopping Machine. Thank you for watching.